Make your offer. 16-0360 In Urb. Bosque de Lago, a beautiful and comfortable house in Encantada. Spectacular house completely remodeled by architect, corner and flat and well-maintained modern architecture. Wide, clear and open spaces. PVC kitchen with high ceiling staircase with modern twist and collection. Spacious rooms, untraditional. Master bathroom fully show with dream. Large terrace, swimming pool, many closet spaces. Modern windows, windstorm. LED lighting, internal lighting on the walls with convection in all areas of the house. This property has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, living room, kitchen, family room, laundry, 2, balcony, terrace, patio, ceramic floors and garage for 2 cars. It has a lot 504 m2 and 3640 p2. Encantada is a gated community with excellent security guard 24 hours. Its facilities include swimming pools, tennis courts, gym, basketball, recreational parks, ball and much more. Tremendous price.